Good morning, guys. We have here, we're still in the preparation. This is the amount of drop sheets that we have to use. We use combination of boards, taping it up, drop sheets some areas, cover furnitures, anything that's gonna get damaged. We cover areas so we don't scratch it. Now, when you're doing new renovations, the difficulty in this one is other trades going in your job site does not care about your work. It's like a jungle on a construction site where that's your side, that's my side. And as a painter, we have to do damage control because what we don't want to have is the blaming game at the end. For example, as you can see, we have covered our work area. This is what we're working at the moment, okay? But how about when it comes to this area here? So, is that my job to clean someone's mess? Is that my job to clean someone's mess? What they're always saying is, well, someone's gonna clean it. Who's gonna clean it? I don't know. It's not my job, but they always leave it to the other trades who's on site to clean it for them. So how we do it is we do damage control because nothing's worse when you're working, okay, and then suddenly there is a hard piece of. Oh, I've heard that. Have you heard that? Those things will scratch the floor. Clips, plastic, screws, nails, anything that is hard, and that's a brand new flooring. And in order to protect the floor is to put drop sheets, clean the floor first, put a board, so at least your area is well protected.